Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Tech. And if you are new here, grab your brushes, your imagination, and maybe a snack. We're about to get creative. So today I am making this beautiful textured art piece featuring hibiscus flowers. And guess what? It looks fancy, but it's super simple, like making a toast, but prettier. Let's talk about the secret sauce, or you can call it paste. In this case, I made it using Plaster of Paris, Fevicol, and some acrylic paint. That's it. No other ingredient. So, step 1. Sketch your design. I went with hibiscus flowers. You can draw whatever you like flowers, leaves. Now for the fun part, texture time. I used that paste to cover the background by spreading it over the canvas. Then I just smashed it. Yes, smashed. Like you're annoyed, but in a classy way. This gives the background a really cool, uneven texture, a little chaos, but a lot of charm. Once that dries a bit, it's time for the start of the show, the flowers. I used the same paste, but this time I added white acrylic paint instead of yellow. Why? Because I wanted clean, elegant white flowers. But feel free to go wild with your colors, like red, blue, or rainbow colors. It's your masterpiece. You can use any color of your choice. Here comes the piping part, like cake decorating, but no calories. Fill a piping bag with the white paste and outline every petal, every leaf, every detail. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Nature isn't symmetrical, and neither we are. So now take a wet brush and gently spread the paste from the outer edge of each petal towards the center. One direction, nice and smooth, kind of like giving your flower a spa day. Repeat this process until your whole design is filled in.